How to withdraw money from Netspend without a card? Let's get started. Are you in a situation where you need to withdraw money from a Netspend account but you can't find a card? Don't worry, we have got you covered. The very first thing you want to do is contact Netspend customer service. Simply call Netspend toll-free number, which you can find on their website or your account statement. Be prepared to provide personal information to verify your identity, such as your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Request a check. Once that identity is confirmed, request a check to be sent to your registered address. Make sure your address is up to date to avoid any delays. Confirm withdrawal details. Double check with the customer service representative the amount you wish to withdraw and any associated fees. Wait for a check. Netspend will mail the check to your address, typically arriving within 7 to 10 business days. Deposit or cash the check. Once you receive the check, deposit into your bank account using mobile deposit or at a branch. Alternatively, you can cash it at a bank or a check cashing store. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on a Netspend account to ensure the withdrawal has been processed correctly. Safeguard your card. If you have misplaced your card, consider reporting it lost or stolen to prevent unauthorized access. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can withdraw money from a Netspend account even without a card. Thanks for watching.